Hello everyone.
Hello.
Lexa is playing on her phone. Well, we are continuing a series of experiments with sparklers. Where do we have them here? Here. And in the last video, we inserted sparklers into a tangerine, lemon, and a tomato. I hope you enjoyed it. I was delighted, everything shone very beautifully. Today we will try to lower it into water and into cola.
Cola?
Да.
And also in the letter Z. And you can also write in the comments which of all the letters to choose. Perhaps it will be the letter E or some other. And the more comments with a certain letter, then we choose this letter for the next experience. We'll put some sparklers in it and set it on fire. Let's try to lower a lit sparkler into the water and see what happens to it. Setting it on fire.
Горит. А теперь... Оп.
It went out.
Не
Not
горит.
lit.
Для этого
To do this, we have tape and scissors.
скотч, ножницы.
I had a sparkler covered with scotch tape beforehand. And let's try to repeat it with him now.
Горит. Ой,
It went out. Let's try to set it on fire from the other side. The main thing is to cool down.
лучше вот так. Уху.
Well, almost. Didn't last long. He had a chance. We need more scotch, so that the water does not extinguish it. Alexia has her own experiments.
Еще. Еще.
Okay, let me do it now. Completely covered with adhesive tape. We set it on fire and lower it.
Подальше, а то сейчас будет. Опускаем.
Hotter.
Подожди, несем ручку.
Себе, я тебе говорю, они снизу
Папа,
погибали.
я пою.
For some reason, it doesn't work.
Вау!
Вау.
Do you see this?
Включай. Ху!
Look at how much smoke there is. We managed to make it so that the sparkler burns in the water. And then came the experiment with cola. I think the experiment with cola should be postponed. Let's continue it in the next video plus with the letter Z.